25 funniest fails in sports. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss out on the funniest sports fails ever. You're gonna be absolutely shocked and you're not gonna believe what happens. Let's get into it. Number 25. Being a cheerleader can apparently be dangerous. Watch as these football players run out of bounds and accidentally tackle an unsuspecting cheerleader. Poor girl.
This drive is all Tony Romo. 3 times this drive, he's gotten it done. Look out.
Number 24. This big soccer match will always be remembered, but not for the right reasons. It will be remembered for the mistakes the goalkeeper kept making throughout the match. Watch as he basically helps the other team score. Number 23. During a press conference, NBA player Nikola Jokic was adjusting his mic when it came right off the stand. You can hear it as he fumbles it, and then once it even disconnects. Look at his reaction, but shock and embarrassment. Talk about cringe. Number 22. Celebrating a goal can be fun, but just watch out with how much fun you can actually have. Number 21. This tennis player missed an easy shot, and it was caught on camera. She was doing well until the shot, and everybody was shocked, including her opponent. Number 20. When this one soccer player was being booed, a beer was rudely thrown at him. Being a good sport and not getting mad, he hilariously picks up the beer and pretends to drink it before tossing it back onto the ground. Number 19. Here's a close-up fail. One soccer player was being interviewed when the ball comes shooting right at her face. You can see her anger after it all happens, right in front of the camera.
Nos empezamos a meter a ligas el 2000. Siempre la misma. Meter a ligas el 2000.
Number 18. Golfing can be hard, but when you're so close to the hole, how can you miss? Check out this miss from a professional golfer. So close, yet so far.
Did she swing and miss?
It sure looked like her real swing.
Number 17. Being an official isn't as safe as it may look. This one guy's got to stand dangerously close to heavy objects, and that comes with major risk, including risking the chances of having any kids in the future. Don't know what I mean? Check out the clip. Number 16. Keep your eye on the ball, but also maybe try to watch where you're going. During this amateur high school baseball match, 2 players chase after the same ball and end up smacking right into each other. Ouch. Number 15. Bowling? Extreme? Well, this one guy proves that can be true. He comes in strong with his arm and ends up throwing the ball into the air instead of rolling it onto the lane. It flies up and hits the ceiling, knocking several tiles out of place. Number 14. This was a fail waiting to happen. This guy attempts to jump over several of his friends. He doesn't even come close to clearing it and ends up stomping right on his friends. Number 13. This guy really wanted his foul counted. He gets knocked over by an opponent and wanted to sell it by rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. Hilariously, the announcers laugh along with everyone else. You tell me, was that convincing?
Dude, that ain't right. Just keep going, Thomas. Go right to that room.
Number 12. In the NBA, nobody wants to get hit by the basketball. Watch what happens in this clip. One player gets hit in a sensitive spot by a ball traveling quite fast. That's really gotta hurt.
That hurts. Think of now, Manu Ginobili.
Number 11. This soccer team is a bit mischievous. Just watch how they react to a teammate who's lying on the ground in apparent pain. Watch as this player rubs his foot on his teammates. Well, just check out the clip.
the sort of help he would want from his former teammate there.
Number 10. Check out this troll. One hockey player decides to steal his opponent's stick right as he was getting into the rink. You can see him mouthing, "Hey!" as he is visibly frustrated by the move. Number 9. Check out this silly move Steph Curry pulled while the Greek freak came charging his way on the court. Unnecessary, maybe. Funny, yes.
And comes up with a steal.
Number 8. In a rare moment in cricket, a faulty bat breaks in half right as it hits the ball. You can see the confusion on the player's face as he witnesses the event right in front of him.
Sometimes it goes at the... Look at this. That is as rare as you'll see.
Number 7. Sometimes the referee is in danger just by being on the field. Check out this referee getting tackled by a player. Some say it was a purposeful tackle, while others claim it was simply a mistake. Which one do you think? Number 6. Check out this embarrassing fail. LeBron James was playing in a match where he falls backwards into the crowd. Who did he fall on? None other than Shaquille O'Neal, and, awkwardly enough, he falls right into his lap.
Missed layups at both ends of the floor, turnovers.
Number 5. Check out this hockey player's skillful trick. He was speeding down the ice towards the goal while being followed by 2 other players. He swerves slightly to the side and causes the 2 opponents to fly right into each other.
Well, Houdini's at it again. Set up the last second and look out, baby. It's hard to play against the other team.
Number 4. Scoring a goal in your own net is embarrassing enough, but when you're a goalkeeper, it's even worse. The goalkeeper tosses the ball to the side and it proceeds to roll right into the net, all while he attempts to stop it to no avail. Come on, mate, you had one job. Number 3. During this cricket match, a rare thing happened. An umpire got injured, which rarely happens. He seems to have hurt his ankle while running into another player.
Could be no. Just. Oh, well. Alim Dustbin, there is he.
Number 2. Remember how we mentioned there were risks when it comes to being a cheerleader? Well, here's another reason why it can be dangerous. This football player throws a ball right out of bounds where it hits a poor cheerleader right in the face. Number 1. Time to check out this cringy fail moment caught on camera. During an NBA game, one player falls to the ground and slides right under the basket. Another player tosses the basketball right into the basket. Watch as it falls right into the players. Well, you'll see.
I tell you, the shoulder, Barnes put it into the chest.
But he did not raise the arm up. The elbow never came out. Oh, the ball!
Click on one of these videos on your screen. See you there.